Hello, good morning, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Microsoft Surface Earbuds. So I've actually been using these for a few weeks now, and so I'll do a quick little kind of review for these guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Remove the top, set that aside. We've got the earbuds right here. Be right back to that. So it does come with a few different sizes. It comes with a medium, large, and small, so it can fit your individual ear. I have had some slight issues with it actually sticking in my ear, but I don't know. Like it's been kind of interesting for me because typically I don't really have those issues with other earbuds. So but typically, I think that somebody should have a good experience overall. The other thing I've got here is in the box is this USB-C cable. It is a USB-A to USB-C. A little curious because I do know some of their other products they ship with USB-C to C. And then of course it's got the usual user manual and all that fun stuff, user guide and stuff like that. And that's about it for the contents of the box. So this is how they look. A bit of a pill-shaped form. It's got the USB-C charging right here, as well as on the bottom you'll see a pairing button. So this, unlike the other Surface headphones from Microsoft, can only be simultaneously or cannot be simultaneously paired with more than one device. So this one is one at a time. However, you can pair it to multiple devices and then manually switch between them as you're using it. So the battery life on this is pretty good. I believe it might be around up to 20 hours. And you could see here, this is how it looks. And so overall, I mean, this has been pretty good for me. I was previously using the AirPods. I did briefly use the AirPods Pro. Not a big fan. I'm not, of course, in the Apple camp. So switched immediately over to the Earbuds when they became available. But I like them. The sound quality is maybe not the best. They're really sensitive. When you touch them, you can activate inadvertently activate, like it'll just start playing whatever music you had. But on the flip side, it is cool because you can double tap to answer or end a call. You can also triple tap to fast forward or back up if you're playing a music and stuff like that. It does work with Spotify as well as, oddly enough, Microsoft PowerPoint. You can use one at a time if the occasion calls for it. So overall, it's pretty good. They charge pretty fast. I've been pretty happy with it. No real complaints. I don't consider them to be overly special in any particular regard. They get the job done, and that's about it. The case does feel a little bit on the more flimsy or cheap side compared to like the AirPods or other cases. So I know the case typically doesn't really matter. The quality is pretty good. I do sometimes have issues where one earbud will be louder, not louder than the other, but one will go out like briefly and you only hear audio coming out of one and then it'll resync itself. So stuff like that. I think typical kind of first generation product issues, nothing too severe that I have noticed. I'm pretty happy with them. I think the battery life is really good. The quality, the sound quality is pretty good. It's pretty even. It's pretty clear. It's not too heavy on the bass. It's not too heavy on the highs. I would kind of put it somewhere in the middle where you get a satisfying sound. So that's it for me. I would recommend them to someone if you're looking for them. I do think they are priced a little high for what, if you compare them to like AirPods 2 with the charging case. And the Google Pixel Buds and the Galaxy Buds Live. There's a lot of competition But I think if you are in the Microsoft camp and you might be interested in using it for PowerPoint or presentations and stuff like that, it's definitely a good buy. They're solid, they're reliable, they work. Nothing really negative to say about them other than there's a lot of room for improvement. You know, the case can be improved and stuff like that. So that's about it. Not too much else going on here. So that's about it for the Microsoft Surface earbuds. Thank you for watching, and do stay tuned for more.